Come here, Ray. You want to climb, Ray? Ray, come here. Look.
It's not even safe.
Huh?
How is that safe? How are you standing there?
Man, this is how we play when we were little.
Pero kaya ni Tito Kuya. Class, no!
Sari-sari ka. Ano matutulong yan sa'yo?
Putol pa
Kung
yun.
kailangan mo lakas ng loob.
Like this, oh.
Hi, Mami. Hindi ko isa.
Narito din pa.
This is what happens when you leave your kids to their dads.
Yes.
Lalo na kung batang 90s yung daddy nila.
Mami.
Mami, call Mami.
Mami!
Rain, asan ka?
Ayun, nasa baba. Ayoko!